Hello gang, I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing today. This one's a Uniden uh8080s uhfcb. I picked this one up. This one's actually going to replace a tape, would you believe, in the car. But I thought while I was doing it, I would go through and do a bit of an unboxing and display and all that sort of caper. So the reason I got this one, I've got a 5050, I think it is. Base model, I suppose you call it, but this one's got extra C frequencies in it, and I have a requirement to listen to a few commercial services. So to do that, I need something that's got a few extra C frequencies in it. The Tate's a nice radio, don't get me wrong, and it will be for sale soon, so keep watching. Yeah, I don't have the requirement to transmit on the mobile anyway, and it's too power hungry when in standby mode, so this one isn't, and it suits the job perfectly, so in it goes. Anyway, on to the unboxing. It's going to be a quick one, I'm not going to get too in detail in it. Manual. A couple of stickers. These seem to be pretty common lately in Uniden gear. Yeah, a couple of stickers. There's another one here somewhere, there was. Maybe there isn't. Yeah. Anyway. The handheld control mic, bracket, extension cable, cardboard. Ah, there's the other sticker. One of these days I'll get organised and organise a decent tripod for this thing, instead of doing it one-handed. Anyway, there's the other sticker. Power thing. Yeah, all mountings. That is the whole of the main radio. That's it. More power, more bits and pieces for mounting. Another mounting bracket. Plastic mic clip. I love these things. I get a bit of super glue and glue them together, and then mount them with mounting tape. No holes in dashes that way. Absolutely brilliant. When I get everything in order, I'll do a quick run through of what I've got in the car, and I'll show you. These things yeah, I love them. Anyway, stay tuned for that. And that is all. So there you go. That is the unboxing video in its completeness. There you have it. Stay tuned for where it's going to go and how it's going to go there. See ya.